Aloha and welcome to KTA's Quick and Ono Recipes. I'm Chef Alyssa Moreau and today we're going to make Lemon Poppyseed Strawberry Shortcake. Preheat oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Sift flour, baking powder, 3 tablespoons sugar and salt in a medium bowl. Add in the lemon zest and poppy seeds. Mix well with a spoon. Open can of chilled coconut milk and remove the solid portion from the top and place in a glass measuring cup and return to the refrigerator. Mix the half cup of reserved liquid coconut milk, the oil, and extracts together and stir into the flour mixture until just combined. On a parchment-lined board, form into a flat disc about 1.5 inches high. Cut into biscuits and place on a parchment-lined baking sheet. Dust tops with a bit of reserved sugar. Bake for 15 minutes or until nicely browned on top. Cool on rack. While baking, mull the strawberries. Mash part of the berries with sugar to taste and let sit. Whip the chilled coconut cream until thick. Add sugar if you want a bit of sweet. To serve, spread strawberries on the open biscuit house and top with coconut cream. Enjoy! For this recipe and more, please visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes.